Today we're making one of my favorite plant-based curries, inspired by classic dal. It's super comforting, easy, and so rich in flavor. Here's everything you'll need. First, dice your eggplant, toss with salt, pepper, and olive oil, then air fry at 160 degrees for 15 minutes. Air frying draws out the excess moisture so it soaks up all that delicious curry sauce later. Meanwhile, finely mince your ginger and garlic, dice one onion, and cut the sweet potatoes into cubes. I like to mix all the dry spices in a small bowl beforehand. All our veggies are prepped. Now let's start cooking. Heat up a splash of olive oil and saute the onion until soft. Then toss in the minced garlic and ginger, stir until fragrant. Stir in the spice mix for a minute or two to bloom those rich flavors. Then add the tomato puree. Now pour in the vegetable broth and coconut cream. Give it a good mix. Add your rinsed pink lentils and the air-fried eggplant. Simmer for 15 minutes. Next, toss in the sweet potatoes. Let it simmer, giving it a quick stir every 15 minutes so it doesn't stick to the bottom. After about 40 minutes, it'll thicken up nicely. Give it a quick taste and add more salt if needed. Turn off the heat and let it rest for 15 to 30 minutes to absorb all that deliciousness. Once cooled, it gets even thicker. Today I'm having mine with bread. You can also have it with rice. Garnish with a lemon wedge and Greek yogurt if you have them. Bon appetit!